In today's tutorial, it is Crochet 101, right back from the very beginning. What do you need to do? What do you need to know in order to start to learn to crochet? We'll cover that right after this. So welcome back to the Crochet Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today's tutorial is going all the way back to the very beginning. How to hold the hook, how to hold your yarn, how to just really get to those basic stitches in order to learn right from scratch. Now I am the host of the Crochet Crowd and I'm not very formal. So when I go to teach, just like in a live workshop, I have a lot of memory hooks that I like to use. I don't like to tell people that they're wrong when they're in the learning process, because I truly believe within myself is that if you're holding the yarn or the hook slightly different from the way that I'm doing it, I don't say a word about it, because you will find your own rhythm. Crochet is a very personal and therapeutic form of a hobby that is so important to many of us. So within today's tutorial, let's go right back to the very beginning. Let's show you how to hold your hook, your yarn, and let's cover some of the basic stitches, and then you can come back to this channel and play all day long, because we have hundreds of free tutorial projects just waiting for you to try.